Welcome to the SATELIS 50W dual head installation guide video. In this video, we'll walk through the installation process using our updated 90-degree mounting configuration. Here's a brief description of the pole assembly. These are the hole drilling locations on the pole. The top 3 holes are for the luminaires. Here are the drilling measurements for each hole set. Top hole, 0.5 inches. Center holes, 1.35 inches. Bottom holes, 0.5 inches, while the bottom 3 holes are for the battery pack. Here are the drilling measurements for each hole set. Top hole, 0.5 inches. Center holes, 1.35 inches. Bottom holes, 0.5 inches. Drill additional handhole next to the center bottom hole drilling to allow cable access and connection. These are all the components provided for the SATELIS 50W dual head installation with the updated mounting configuration. Step number 1. First, attach the solar panels to component L using the screws from component kit A. Next, secure component F to the pole assembly. Note, if your pole square were not compatible with component F, a tenon adapter may be required. Please contact your pole manufacturer for a compatible adapter. Following, secure component F using the screws from component kit B. Then feed the 2 wire ends through the top pole. Next, you can install the solar panels onto the base using the screws from component kit D. As you can see, the solar panel is adjustable. You can reference the panel angle chart in our installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Once you've selected the desired angle, secure it with the screws from component kit D. Then connect the solar panel wire to wire M. Second step, installing the luminaires. Install the light arm mounting plate inside of the pole. You can refer to component I for the plate. Next, install the light heads. Attach the light arm's base and screw it using component H and kit C. Align components H and I with the top holes and insert screws from component kit C to secure to the pole. Attach component J with component kit E to install the light arms. Feed the luminaire wire through component J, and you can attach it to component E. There are 2 light arms for 2 of the heads. As you can see, the light head is adjustable and you can remove the screws on each head to set the desired angle, then tighten to secure. Last step is to install the battery brackets on the bottom holes. Align components G to the pole and secure using screws from component kit C. You can hang the battery packs on the brackets and secure using screws from component kit E. Then, connect all cables through the access handhold in the following order. Make sure that the handhold cover is secured to protect all of the wiring. Here's a visual representation of everything. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.soltechlighting.com.